Today, we're going to be unboxing the Standard Pack Plus, and the Inspector Pack of this awesome aircraft and diving into everything that it comes with. Inside all packs, you will find the Soten aircraft, the standard remote controller, the battery charger, a set of propellers, the smart battery, and a standard 20 megapixel optical camera. The Standard Pack Plus includes all of the same items, but also adds in the storage hard case. With the Inspection Pack, it adds on a triple cradle charger, an extra propeller set, and has 5 total smart batteries to increase your flight time. As we mentioned in our product launch video, which is linked in the description, this drone is primarily designed for public safety and inspection with its water, wind, and dust resistance. So we highly recommend the Inspector Pack for those who intend to use it as such. The 20 megapixel camera payload is located inside of the foam insert and connects directly to the front gimbal with a slide and lock process. For this class of drones, the one-touch swappable payload feature is something that we haven't seen yet. The standard camera can be swapped with an EO-IR combination camera, a multispectral camera, and an optical zoom camera. And there you have it. That's everything that comes in the currently offered Soten packages. Stay tuned for more videos on the ACSL Soten drone, where we will cover more comparison reviews, demonstration of features and functionality, and a detailed training library. Florida Drone Supply is ready to answer all of your questions on this platform and others, so feel free to give us a call at 8558-DRONES, shoot us an email at info@floridadronesupply.com, or you can visit us online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, I'm Jordan. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your flight.